Good afternoon. It's June the 21st, 2017. Time to recap our trading for today. Take a look at Globex and the opening tomorrow morning. Start with a disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, here is the E-mini. This morning we said our preferred trade was 39 to 41. Took a while to get it there. Market just did. I mean, we were stuck with a 4-point range. For the longest amount of time. Makes its push for 24.40, and it held. Straight sell-off. We had a 29.31 buy, which picks us up right here. Picks us up right here in our buy zone. And got 2 trades out of that. 1 trade off of our recommendation. So again, the early AM research with patience. Sometimes you miss trades, though usually will get you in at very advantageous levels and gives you shots at 5 to 10 points in the particular market that we're covering. So longer term, we'll go take a look at the F1 screen. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Crude oil has been the reason given for the recent sell-off in equities. Looking at the F2 screen, it's D-shaped, volume is above time. We're just kind of sitting right here looking for a move out of the 24.35 area. Longer term, I believe this market is still pointed higher. So where's the sell? 38 to 40, sell 1. 44.46, sell 2. Where's the buy? 28 to 30, buy 1. 23.25, buy 2. Tomorrow's news: jobless claims 240. FHFA plus 0.5% on the housing price index. LAI plus 0.3. And natural gas. Probably have a build of 100 BCF. Have those numbers tomorrow. KC Fed, don't know. Last month it was at 8. I guess the focus will be. I don't see a focus there. Maybe housing price index. Hard to say. Don't have news that usually moves the market tomorrow. Okay, looking at the note, anything less than 10 years is a note, anything less 1 year or less is a bill, anything over 10 years is a bond. Higher low, higher high, market can trade higher off the F1 screen tomorrow. A lot of it will be dependent upon what the E-mini does. That's a strange shaped distribution. And gosh, I don't even know what to call that. So we'll just play like it's a very, very square distribution. And we'll put resistance at 22 to 26, sell 1. And then we'll make it 31 to 03, sell 2. On the buy side, 13 to 17, I believe we were there this morning, buy 1. And then 5 to 9, buy 2. And we'll be trading with one eye on the E-mini. Looking at the bond. Okay, we're going to have resistance 16 to 20. Took forever to get there. That's where we were. So 23.27 sell 1, 31.03 sell 2. It's going to take some help from the E-mini to break out of this range. On the buy side, 4 to 8 number 1, 29 to 01 buy 1, 17 to 21 buy 2. Okay, our numbers are really, we caught both sides of 3 markets and only one side in the bond market today. That early morning research is really, really good. And with patience, sometimes we'll trade inside those numbers, but with patience, you'll find probably 3 out of 4 days you can get trades on. Okay, looking at gold, lower high, lower low. F1 says it can sell. We didn't have much to work with today in gold. And we have a P put in backwards, so we did have some short covering below 43. So here we are at 47, 41, 43 buy 1, 35, 37 buy 2. On the sell side, got a P here, had a P there, maybe stops above 50, so 49, 51 sell 1. 54, 56, sell 2. Okay, and going through the levels where they come from, if you're going to get good at this, you're going to have to sit down and make calls yourself, and that's how you sharpen the pencil. And the way I was forced to sharpen my pencil, I could not attract business in Wichita, Kansas from New York, Chicago, London, other places like that for major institutions unless I could beat their floor trading crews or their upstairs analysts. And I did that with trade location and with market direction. I could tell them where to buy it and sell it better than they did. But I was forced to do it. I had to create a product or a service. Necessity is the mother of invention. So when you make your levels and your calls, do it the same way that I had to learn how to do it. Say higher, lower, I'm a buyer or seller here. And then keep a record of it and see what you did wrong. Crude oil, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. A lot of damage has been done. 48 to 42. That's $6 on this run. And it's happened pretty quickly. Okay, the break in the market's right here at 43. So I think we go a little bit higher. So 75 to 43, sell 1. Last rotate up stopped at 43.76. That's a bit high. So we'll make 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, 42 even, 42 and a quarter, buy 1. 41.50, 41.75, buy 2. Usually when we make brand new lows, the next day is a pause day. So we'll see if that works today. Okay, when the market has been selling and or rallying, you're going to be out of sync for a couple of days when the bottom comes in. It's just the nature of the beast. And usually the way that I tell that a bottom or top has come in is that I've been wrong 2 days in a row on my overall assessment of the market. We don't take trades without signals, so it's oh great, Charles, we're going to be facing 2 losses in a row, back to back. Our methodology really precludes the chance of that happening. But it's something to think about. And so when you're running your trading journals and the rest of it, just make those calls. Write it down and see if you're right or you're wrong. And then over time, you'll get pretty good at it. Higher low, higher high in the euro. F1 says higher tomorrow, or at least retest resistance. And we went both ways today. So we finally got up to 25. And we've got stops above that high right there. Right there's your last rotate up was at 38. So we'll make 25, 35, sell 1, 12.50, sell 2. Buy side last rotate down was 112 even, buy 1. And 11.75, buy 2. And that does it for this June the 21st, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening. I'm out of here.